Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can get your Instagram favorite feed. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeful tech videos like this one. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram app, and when you have opened your Instagram page, you have to go to your home page by tapping on this home button in the bottom left corner. When you go to your home page, then you can see this Instagram font in the top left corner. Simply tap on that Instagram font in the top left corner, and when you tap on that, then you get two options, which is following and favorites. So you have to simply tap on this favorites option with this star button. Simply tap on that, and then here you can see your all of your favorites feed. So the favorite feed is basically the feeds, all the feeds of the people that you have set as your favorites on Instagram. So you can also manage your favorites by tapping on this by tapping on this three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and from here you can also manage your favorites. You can search the person that you want to add to your favorites, and then you can tap on that add button. You can also remove the person that you want to from the your favorite list by tapping on this remove button. And so that's it, that how you can do this. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you next time.